Let's do it.
Here, let me help out. Looks completely normal from the outside. There's a back seat there. Look. No back seat. It's totally a back seat. Oh, those are WRX seats or something. Forester? That's not stock, but neither is this. Tack, and that's the dash showing water temp. I'm sure he can find the speedo somehow. And importantly, what's up, buddy? Huh? Taking video. There we go. Sounds pretty happy. Did you actually leave the AC in? I see the pump. Okay. Yeah.
It was supposed to be a race car.
It is a race car. What are you talking about? Got the cover. Catch can? No ABS, of course. Don't need it. Where'd you reroute the lines into everything? The brake lines? They did not have ABS from the factory? Oh, it might not have in this. Yeah, because these are sets right there.
Yeah, they have ABS.
Oh, and there's a proportioning valve.
You get all that.
I mean, it's pretty clean, really, for what it is, like you said. Yes, yes. Give me a thumbs up, Cole. All right, we're riding in the DriftPreza.
Oh, you looking for a seatbelt?
Yeah.
I'm kidding.
Yeah. 5-speed. Whee! Nope. Blinker. That's the only thing on the dash.
And the little red light tells you everything's okay.
So when the red light's on, everything's okay?
Yeah.
Oh, that sounds good.
Yeah, I think it turned out pretty cool. I had a louder exhaust arm. It was like stupid loud. It was running real bad.
Yeah. Good. Oh, that was second.
Yeah, it don't start running good until about 5 grand.
5 grand.
Yeah, it'll start pulling real hard.
Oh, that's awesome. Oh, it's a happy running little engine.
Yeah, it seems.
Did you, I'm sure you guys rebuilt it before you put it in. Yeah, I didn't do it for the Baja either. Like, I changed the valve cover gaskets, and that was about it. Oh, and the rear main seal.
The only thing that was wrong with this motor when we pulled it out was the alternator locked up on it. But the body on the car was junk, so the guy just stopped out.
Just was like, man.
It was actually really good.
God, they all rust out. I hate that.
Yeah, it was the 2000 Outback, 2002.
Yeah. And the alternator, it definitely doesn't sound like a Subaru.
No, it sounds like a crotch rocket.
Mm-hmm.
It's not what I was expecting. I thought I was going to expect like a lot more
be
Actually, it runs really good.
for a little fun runabout car. And I mean, like you said, you beat on it all day.
Yes, we thrash on it.
Yes. Oh, we're going to do something. Duh.
Yeah, it's hard to get on that tarmac stuff. Surprised it didn't break an axle.
Have you broken any axles on this?
Not in this one. This one has he put the WRX stuff out of his car, which was all beefed up.
Mm-hmm. Like the R180.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a bigger axle. It has the actual rear end in it with the clutches. It's not just one.
Oh, yeah.
So every now and then it will unlock.
Oh, so this is welded.
The transmission is.
Oh, the center did. Okay.
The rear end is not. It actually has a true tractor.
Yeah, they've got that torque locker out now. I don't know if you've seen that. The locker?
Yeah, not for the Subaru.
Yeah.
I haven't seen it.
Oh, yeah. I had some guys, these other guys I know that have this crazy built Forester. They offered to get me one, and I told them I wasn't interested. It's like the old school Lincoln locker. I had one in the Samurai that, like, it's either locked or unlocked.
Yeah, they're kind of.
It's like, yeah.
They're kind of weird because if you lock it while you're completely in power, it's gonna break stuff.
Oh yeah, and like it sounds like a trebuchet when you're turning. It's like yeah. It's supposed to rain bad today.
Yeah, I hope not.
I hate rain. You ride today? Yeah, probably smart. And that is the DriftPreza.